Wes with Tradecraft Heating and Cooling. We're here today doing a 2-head ductless install in the Haven Ultra Bunkie for Bunkie Life. So the guys are over there measuring up right now to kind of lay out the heads and where they're going to land on the wall. And then we're going to drill some holes through, place the outdoor unit, and line our line set up. So at home, if you're watching along and you're installing one of these yourself, you can kind of follow the video and see how we do it. Right now, we are coring some holes for the line sets to go through. So they are 2 and usually 2.5 inch holes. You can see one already cored up top there. And the next one, Chris is measuring off right now for our next bit. So next steps is Chris is laying out the track coverings for our line sets to go in. Now track coverings aren't necessary, but they sure make it look a lot cleaner when you're all said and done, so you don't have copper line set dangling down the side of your bunkie. So you'll be able to see that up top here. You'll start laying it out. We'll put all the tracks in and then the line sets will come afterwards. Once you have your line set tracks in place, the next step is to level off your stand for outside, and that's what we're doing right now, is we're making sure it's nice and square and level, because it's really important to have a level spot for your ductless unit, whether it be heat pump or cooling only. Once that's done, the unit will be placed, and then we'll start tying in our line sets. Once you get the head mounted on the wall, you're going to want to make all of your connections, your drain, your copper line sets, and your electrical. It's important to make sure that you're torquing your flitter nuts to the proper torque. Professionals will typically have a torque wrench, like Zach has in his hand there, to get it to the right pounds per foot. Okay, so let's do a little recap. So far today we've mounted the heads inside, put up our line set tracks, connected our line sets, our electrical, our drain to the indoor units. mounted our outdoor unit to the stand, leveled that off, and connected all of our lines to the outdoor unit. Now the next step, frankly, as a homeowner, is kind of hard. You get a pressure test and vacuum out the copper lines, which typically at that point you'll likely have to call a professional in, unless you by any weird chance have a vacuum pump. Maybe. Final steps after that, once all of that is complete, is releasing the refrigerant charge into the line sets and connecting the high voltage from your disconnect to your indoor unit. And then you just turn it on and away it goes. The end. So here we are, we're finished. Here's your outdoor unit. We've done all of our connections, our electrical, it's running. Nice warm air coming off the outside of it because it's drawing all the heat out of the bunkie. And that's as loud as they get, which I'm sure, as you can maybe hear from the video, it is not much. They're very, very quiet. Inside we can see the head hanging on the wall. It's pumping nice cool air. There it is. So if you followed all of our steps, it'll look like that. You can try, and if you have problems, give us a call. We're with Tradecraft Heating and Cooling. We serve southwestern Ontario. I also want to give a special shout out to our suppliers that have facilitated all of this for us. Redmond Williams out of Mississauga and Dyke North America. They provided the units for us for display here at Bunkie Life. Come have a look at them, come check them out. You can see, you know, they're gonna cool in the summertime. They'll heat this place nice and toasty in the wintertime. So you'll be able to walk through and kind of sit in here and be in comfort. For our Bunkie Life clients, if you've already built your bunkie and want to add an air conditioner to it, please feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 519-304-5304. We're happy to help. Thank you very much.